do here is go back.
Oh, hey, buddy. What's up? Today, we're doing mail call. Okay. First off, we got Rob's Model Addiction. Yeah. This is a nice card. I like the truck on it. I like the hot rod. Got some nice words on the back. We appreciate it. Thanks, Rob. He got a nice channel, too. Yeah, go check him out. We'll get any more? Can you wait? Yeah, we got more. Well, bring it on. Anyway, we got a card from Joe. What's up, Joe? Over there at Mad Genius Productions. Nice. This is a very nice card. It reminds me of his intro to his videos. Go check him out. Go check Joe out. I already said that. So I said it again. He got a good channel. He wrote some nice words on the back. That is a nice card. Thank you, Joe. Yeah, thanks. Appreciate you. Yeah, I appreciate you too. Buddy stinks. Yeah, buddy. Wait, what? Quit saying what I say. You stink. Next. So next up. Oh, we Jesus. Got Rambler 69. I'm not looking. This is a very nice card. I'm not looking. I'm not looking. Are you okay, buddy? What kind of stupid question is that? You know I'm not okay. You know I don't like clowns. Oh, yeah. But just look at the card. All right, just a quick look. Ah! Why'd you? I'm out of here. Hey, wait, buddy. Don't go. Bye. Why you leaving? Wow. I guess he don't like clowns. So next up, we got Rick Zink over at Skeletal Remains. This is an awesome card. I think that skeleton laying down looked like Buddy. Hey, is that Buddy? Is it what, Buddy? Oh, you're back. Yeah, I'm back. I was just saying that this skeleton right here looks kind of like you. Wait, that is me. Ah! Go check out Rick over there at Skeletal Remains. And, wow. I figured out how to, make Buddy disappear. So, about a month ago, Bill over at WWK Scale Models and Diecast had a drawing for 400 subscribers. And, this happened.
And the winner is number 10, guys. Number 10. Gerald Wright, right there, number 10. Congratulations, Gerald.
Now that brings us to today. Well, tonight. Actually today, because that was when I was at home on vacation. Yeah, and now I'm back on the truck. But I opened his box, and it was filled to the brim, full of prizes. Where was I at? I mean, I felt like a kid on Christmas. I like Christmas. Had the guns in there, had the Hot Wheels. You got enough to share. Some nice Hot Wheels too. It ain't just like a couple of Hot Wheels. I had like a whole bunch of Hot Wheels. Yo, over here. And I like Hot Wheels. You know, I plan on making like a miniature gun room. Are you not hearing me? You know, something like James Bond would have. James Bond. And have the guns like Mr. Bean mounted on the wall of the gun room. Maybe not a whole gun room. You still talking about guns? I don't know. Dang. It's a you know, thought. Sound like a passion. Anyway, I had this Chevy in there, and man, this is a nice kit. That is a nice kit. A very nice kit. Too nice for you? I never had this model. What did that mean? I never had it. You act like you're a model master or something. Probably gonna do a box stock, because you know it's a classic. You can't tear up a classic like you do everything else. Yeah. We appreciate it, Bill. Thank you, sir. You had 400 subscribers when this came out. That's awesome. You now have over 500. Wait, what? So I don't know what's going on. Oh man, clap it up. Keep it up. And, congrats on that, Bill. Yeah, we'll see you next time. We'll see you. Peace.